Hello, my name is Scott Major, and I'm a division manager at Management Solutions. I specialize in solving my clients' problems through delivery of project management, change management, and process improvement. Almost all of us have been impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic in one way or the other. For many of us, that means some form of remote work, and that is very new and very unfamiliar territory. Because of this change, we thought it would be a good idea for us to share knowledge that we have learned through remote working. That is in addition to combing your hair and, removing the cap from the camera in case it's in the way. As a consultant, I oftentimes find myself in different places, so to be remote from a central place of work is fairly common to me. In order to stay effective with my teams, I found the need for a collaboration tool. The collaboration tool that I use most frequently is Microsoft Teams. Teams is an application available through Office 365. It might be a tool you already have available, you just never thought to use it, or even knew it was available to use. So today I want to talk to you about Teams. I want to show you it in 3 different ways. First, I'm going to show you how the structure of Microsoft Teams and how simple it is to start a team. Second, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Teams for collaboration with other people. And thirdly, I'm going to show you how you can use Teams to quickly become the hub of managing all the activities within your teams at work. So let's start to walk through some examples in Teams. Teams is a powerful tool. It's actually the tool I'm using to record this webinar. In addition to being powerful, it's easy to use. Let's start by creating a team, and I'll show you how easy that can be done. On the left-hand menu, I'm going to click on the teams, and I'm simply going to create a team. Now it's going to ask me a few questions about how I really want to set it up, but these are all pretty simple things. And it's going to ask me for a team name. In this case, I'm just going to give it a program. Assume I'm a builder and I'm building multiple facilities. In this case, I gave it just a generic name, and it gives me affirmation that I've created the team. I can add team members, but for this case, I'm going to go ahead and skip it. And you can see I added this team, Program for Development. Teams are created with a hierarchy. Teams can have multiple channels below them. This is helpful when you want to subdivide some of the work. So if you have a project for a building or a new facility, I may want to separate the design from the construction. I can do that by creating separate channels. In this case, all I'll do is simply click on the overflow button and add channel. And then I may create something as simple as just saying, well, this is where I'm going to track the design portion. The interesting thing you can find here is not only can I give some description about what it is I'm trying to do, but I can create the settings for privacy and permission different from the parent team. Once this is done, now you can see how I can start to add channels and subdivide the work that I have in that program. Microsoft released 2 products before Teams, which are called SharePoint and Yammer. These are 2 collaboration tools that allow users to interact with team members and share content. In every channel of every team, a tab for files and posts is created by default, which you see at the top of the page. These are essentially SharePoint and Yammer reimagined. The Post tab, which behaves like Yammer, is an instant messaging tool. It allows us to share text, images, video, and other contents with the team members. We can use targeted posts to focus our messages to key people or groups on our team. I'm going to post a GIF of an easy button because what project doesn't need an easy button? And you can see that's been added. The Files tab behaves like SharePoint in that I can collect, share, and modify documents with my team members. One of the best features that my teams enjoy is the ability to concurrently work on documents, which prevents us from sending documents through emails and losing track of who has the most current file. The last thing I want to show you is how it becomes the hub of your collaboration for your team. Not only do you have the capabilities that come with message boards and document management, but Teams can be integrated with other Microsoft products or other third-party applications. The plus button in our channel gives us the large list of applications to integrate. A few use case examples for applications you might want to bring in are if your team shares notes, then integrate a tool like OneNote or Evernote to collaboratively collect and review notes. If your team works in an agile environment, then integrating a tool like Planner or Trello that gives your team enhanced project management capabilities may be advantageous. If your team needs a location for managing performance reports, then integrating a tool like Power BI might be a way to demonstrate and show some of those reports. So that's it. I hope you found this video informative. If you are interested in learning more about how Teams can provide solutions for your business problems, please let Management Solutions